Unlock your startup's potential. Simple digital marketing for Indian businesses. Feeling overwhelmed by digital marketing? Don't worry. This guide is designed to empower new businesses, Indian startups, small businesses, and entrepreneurs like you with simple, effective, and budget-friendly strategies to thrive online. Let's dive in and make your business shine. Starting a business is an exciting journey, and establishing a strong online presence is crucial for success in today's digital landscape. It's about making sure your target audience can easily find you and connect with your brand. Let's explore the essential steps to build your online foundation. Your Google Business Profile is your digital storefront, and it's absolutely free. This powerful tool allows potential customers to discover your business when they search for local services. Whether you're running a cozy cafe, a tailoring shop, or a tech startup, a well-optimized Google listing can significantly boost your visibility. Make sure to include accurate information such as your business name, address, phone number, operating hours, and captivating photos. Encourage your initial customers to leave reviews, as positive feedback builds trust and credibility. A strong Google Business Profile is your first step towards attracting local customers. In today's digital age, a website is more than just an online address. It's a reflection of your brand and a hub for customer interaction. Don't feel pressured to create a complex, expensive website right away. A simple one-page website can be incredibly effective in conveying your core message and providing essential information. Include details about your services or products, your contact information, and a convenient WhatsApp button for easy communication. User-friendly platforms like Wix, WordPress, and Zoho sites, an Indian platform, offer affordable and easy-to-use templates to get you started. Your website is your digital home, so make it welcoming and informative. Social media is where conversations happen, and it's essential to establish your presence on the platforms where your target audience spends their time. For Indian businesses, Instagram and WhatsApp Business are a dynamic duo offering visual appeal and direct communication. If you have the bandwidth, consider including Facebook as well, as it remains a popular platform for local marketing. Ensure your profiles are complete with accurate contact information, business hours, and compelling visuals that showcase your offerings. Regularly update your profiles with engaging content to keep your audience interested and informed. Social media is your opportunity to connect, engage, and build relationships with your customers. Content is the heart of your digital marketing strategy, and it's what builds trust and fosters meaningful connections with your audience. Instead of immediately focusing on sales, prioritize creating valuable content that educates, entertains, and inspires. Let's explore how to create content that resonates with your target audience. Content is more than just words and images. It's your opportunity to tell your brand's story and showcase your unique value proposition. Share content that demonstrates how your product works, provides behind-the-scenes glimpses of your operations, features customer testimonials, and answers frequently asked questions. For example, if you sell artisanal spices, share recipes, explain the origins of your ingredients, or offer tips on how to use them in different dishes. This type of content creates an emotional connection and sparks curiosity, ultimately driving engagement and building brand loyalty. Remember, content is about providing value and building relationships. You don't need to be a design expert or a professional writer to create compelling content. Canva is a free and user-friendly design platform that offers a wide range of templates and tools to create visually appealing graphics and social media posts. If you're struggling with writer's block, ChatGPT can help you generate captions, brainstorm content ideas, and even create entire blog posts in English or Hinglish. These tools empower you to create high-quality content without breaking the bank. Embrace these resources and unleash your creativity to connect with your audience in meaningful ways. WhatsApp is more than just a messaging app. It's a powerful business tool that allows you to connect directly with your customers and provide personalized service. WhatsApp Business offers a range of features designed to streamline communication and enhance customer engagement. Let's explore how to leverage WhatsApp to its full potential. Download WhatsApp Business and set up your business profile with essential information, such as your business name, address, website, and a brief description of your offerings. Create a product catalog to showcase your products or services with images, descriptions, and prices. Set up automated replies to acknowledge messages when you're unavailable and provide quick answers to frequently asked questions. Utilize the label system to organize your contacts into categories such as leads, regular customers, and follow-ups. This allows you to segment your audience and tailor your communication accordingly. WhatsApp Business is your direct line to your customers, so use it to build relationships and provide exceptional service. Build a broadcast list of your existing customers to share updates about new arrivals, festive discounts, or behind-the-scenes glimpses of your business. However, avoid spamming your customers with excessive messages. One helpful and informative message per week is sufficient to keep them engaged without overwhelming them. For example, a local bakery could send a weekly message showcasing their new pastry creations or offering a special discount on their signature cakes. Targeted communication through broadcast lists allows you to stay top of mind and drive repeat business. Collaboration is a powerful strategy for small businesses to expand their reach and tap into new audiences. Partnering with micro-influencers can be an affordable and effective way to gain targeted exposure and build brand awareness. Let's explore how to collaborate with micro-influencers to amplify your message. Micro-influencers are individuals with a smaller but highly engaged following, typically ranging from 1,000 to 10,000 followers. These influencers often have a niche audience and a strong connection with their followers, making them ideal partners for small businesses. Identify micro-influencers in your local area whose audience aligns with your target market. Offer them a free product or service in exchange for an honest review or a shout-out on their social media channels. This is a cost-effective way to reach a targeted audience and build credibility through trusted recommendations. You can find micro-influencers by searching relevant hashtags or using specialized platforms like Cloudflow or Philo. Email marketing is a powerful tool for building long-term relationships with your customers and nurturing leads. Collecting email addresses and sending regular updates allows you to stay top of mind and drive repeat business. Let's explore how to build an email list and create engaging email campaigns. Collect email addresses through a simple sign-up form on your website or by using Google Forms. Offer an incentive for signing up, such as a discount code or a free ebook. Ensure your sign-up form is GDPR compliant and clearly states how you will use the collected email addresses. Building an email list is a gradual process, but it's an investment that pays off in the long run. An email list is a valuable asset that allows you to communicate directly with your customers and build lasting relationships. Use email marketing platforms like MailChimp or Brevo to create and send engaging email campaigns. Both platforms offer free plans and user-friendly interfaces, making them ideal for small businesses. Send regular updates about new products, special offers, helpful tips, or customer stories. Segment your email list to tailor your messages to specific customer groups. Personalize your emails to make them more relevant and engaging. Email marketing is a cost-effective way to nurture leads, drive sales, and build brand loyalty. Once your business gains some traction, consider investing in paid advertising to accelerate your growth. Start with a small budget and focus on targeted campaigns that deliver measurable results. Let's explore some effective paid advertising strategies for small businesses in India. If your business is visually appealing, such as food, clothing, or decor, run Reels-based ads on Instagram. Reels often receive higher engagement than static image posts, making them an effective way to reach a wider audience. If your business is local, use Facebook to target people by location, down to specific PIN codes. If you offer services like home repair, tuition, or salon at home, try Google Call ads. These ads display your phone number directly when someone searches for your service, making it easy for them to call you directly. Paid advertising can be a powerful tool for driving traffic, generating leads, and increasing sales. Use Meta Business Suite to track the performance of your social media posts and ads. Analyze which content receives the most engagement and repeat what works. Monitor your website traffic and conversion rates to understand how your digital marketing efforts are impacting your bottom line. Tracking your results allows you to optimize your campaigns and make data-driven decisions. Digital marketing is an iterative process, so continuously analyze your results and adjust your strategies accordingly. You've now equipped yourself with the knowledge and strategies to conquer the digital world. Don't let this information sit idle. Take action today and start implementing these simple yet powerful digital marketing techniques. Here's what you should do right now. Claim your Google Business Profile. If you haven't already, create or update your Google Business Profile to ensure local customers can easily find you. Build a basic website. Create a simple one-page website with your essential information and a WhatsApp button for easy communication. Set up your social media profiles. Establish your presence on Instagram and WhatsApp Business, and consider including Facebook as well. Start creating valuable content. Share your story, showcase your products, and answer customer questions through engaging content. Download WhatsApp Business. Leverage the power of WhatsApp Business to connect directly with your customers and provide personalized service. Your business deserves to be seen and thrive in the digital age. Embrace these strategies, stay consistent, and watch your business grow. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and insights for small businesses. Let's embark on this digital journey together.